Welcome everyone. Today we're discussing a critical business insight. AI is only as reliable as the system built around it. Artificial intelligence is becoming part of everyday business. It can draft emails, analyze spreadsheets, categorize transactions, summarize reports, generate financial insights, improve productivity. These capabilities are transforming how organizations work. But there is an important reality that many businesses overlook. AI is only as reliable as the system built around it. The discussion should no longer be, can AI perform this task? The better question is, does our workflow ensure reliable outcomes? Technology is only one part of the solution. Many businesses focus almost entirely on selecting the right AI tool. They compare features, evaluate pricing, review capabilities, test different models. Those are important decisions. However, technology alone rarely determines success. Reliable AI implementation depends just as much on workflow design, review procedures, operational controls, governance, documentation, accountability. Without these foundations, even powerful AI tools can produce inconsistent results. AI doesn't judge context. Artificial intelligence is excellent at recognizing patterns. It can often process information much faster than people. But business decisions frequently depend on context rather than patterns. The same transaction may represent revenue, a shareholder loan, an owner's contribution, insurance proceeds, financing. The numbers may appear similar. The accounting treatment is completely different. That distinction requires judgment. Practical example. 1. A business uploads hundreds of invoices into an AI-powered bookkeeping system. The software categorizes most transactions correctly. However, several equipment purchases are recorded as operating expenses instead of capital assets. Nothing appears unusual until year-end. The reports look complete. The classifications are wrong. Business lesson: AI processed the information efficiently. The review process failed to identify the exception. Practical example. 2. A management team relies on AI-generated summaries during monthly meetings. The summaries highlight sales growth but fail to emphasize that gross margins have declined steadily for 6 months. Leadership celebrates revenue growth while profitability quietly deteriorates. Business lesson: good reporting is not simply about producing information. It is about directing attention to what matters most. Strong systems create reliable AI. Businesses that achieve the greatest value from AI usually have documented workflows, standardized review procedures, exception reporting, approval processes, clear ownership, operational visibility. AI performs routine work. Strong systems ensure the work remains reliable. Final thoughts. Artificial intelligence is an extraordinary business tool, but it is not a substitute for operational discipline. Technology becomes most valuable when supported by strong workflows, effective governance, and professional judgment. The future advantage will not belong to businesses using the most AI. It will belong to businesses building the strongest systems around AI. Business education assessment. Is your business ready to use AI effectively? Complete the business education assessment to evaluate your workflows, operational systems, AI readiness, governance, and decision-making processes before implementing additional technology. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Assuming AI can validate its own work. Many organizations believe that if AI generates an answer, it can also reliably verify that answer. In reality, AI is far better at producing outputs than independently validating their accuracy. Avoid this by building human review and automated validation rules into your workflow. 2. Automating an inefficient process. Some businesses implement AI before understanding how work actually flows through the organization. The result is faster execution of an inefficient process. Avoid this by mapping the workflow, identifying bottlenecks, and improving the process before introducing AI. 3. Giving AI too much freedom. Broad, open-ended prompts often produce inconsistent results. The wider the scope, the greater the opportunity for variation and error. Avoid this by creating structured workflows with clearly defined tasks and boundaries. 4. Believing AI understands business context. AI recognizes patterns. It does not automatically understand shareholder intentions, business objectives, contractual arrangements, or management decisions. Avoid this by reviewing AI output within the broader business context before relying on it. 5. Focusing on technology instead of governance. Many AI projects concentrate on selecting the best software while overlooking review procedures, approval processes, ownership, documentation, and accountability. Avoid this by treating AI implementation as a business systems project rather than simply a technology project. Frequently asked questions. 1. Can AI replace accountants or bookkeepers? No. AI is highly effective at automating repetitive and structured tasks, but professional judgment remains essential for interpreting transactions, reviewing exceptions, applying accounting standards, and advising business owners. The future is likely to be AI supporting professionals rather than replacing them. 2. Why isn't AI accurate all the time? AI recognizes patterns based on the information it receives. It does not naturally understand the complete business context behind every transaction, contract, or decision. That's why human review and well-designed workflows remain important. 3. What is the biggest mistake businesses make when implementing AI? Many organizations start by selecting AI tools before understanding the business problem they are trying to solve. Successful implementations usually begin with reviewing workflows, identifying bottlenecks, and then selecting technology that addresses those specific issues. 4. Should every AI-generated output be reviewed? Not necessarily. Routine, low-risk tasks may only require automated validation rules. However, outputs that affect financial reporting, tax compliance, business strategy, legal obligations, or significant business decisions should always be reviewed by an appropriately qualified professional. 5. What role does governance play in AI? Governance establishes how AI is used within the organization. It defines approved AI tools, review responsibilities, documentation standards, data security requirements, approval procedures, accountability. Strong governance improves consistency, reduces risk, and increases confidence in AI-assisted workflows. 6. How can businesses improve AI reliability? Rather than expecting AI to become more intelligent, businesses should improve the environment around it by standardizing workflows, improving documentation, creating validation rules, monitoring exceptions, continuously refining prompts, reviewing results regularly. Reliable systems produce reliable outcomes. 7. Will better prompts solve every AI problem? No. Better prompts improve results, but they cannot replace sound business processes, professional judgment, or appropriate internal controls. Prompt engineering is only one part of a successful AI implementation. 8. Where should businesses begin with AI? Start with repetitive, time-consuming tasks that follow consistent rules. Examples include document processing, invoice categorization, report preparation, meeting summaries, workflow documentation, routine client communications. As confidence grows, businesses can gradually expand AI into more advanced workflows while maintaining appropriate review processes. 9. How often should AI workflows be reviewed? Regularly. Business processes, regulations, software capabilities, and organizational needs change over time. AI workflows should be reviewed periodically to ensure they continue to produce accurate, reliable, and business-appropriate results. 10. What is the most important lesson for business owners? Technology alone does not create better businesses. Better systems do. Organizations that combine AI with strong workflows, operational visibility, governance, and professional judgment will generally achieve more reliable and sustainable long-term results. Action plan. Immediate actions this week. Identify one business process where AI is currently being used and map the complete workflow from input to final review. Review whether AI-generated outputs are independently validated before they influence financial reporting or business decisions. Document one repetitive task that could benefit from stronger controls rather than simply more automation. Next 30 days, standardize AI workflows for repetitive tasks such as document processing, reporting, and routine communications. Develop exception reporting so unusual transactions are automatically flagged for human review. Establish clear ownership for reviewing AI-generated outputs within your organization. Long-term strategy: build AI governance into your overall business system strategy. Continuously improve workflows before introducing additional AI capabilities. Focus on creating operational systems where technology improves consistency while professionals provide judgment, oversight, and strategic direction. Key takeaways: AI performs best when supported by strong workflows, governance, and professional oversight. Technology recognizes patterns, but business context still requires human judgment. Automating inefficient processes usually creates faster inefficiency, not better outcomes. Operational controls and review procedures are just as important as selecting the right AI tools. The organizations that gain the greatest advantage from AI will be those that combine technology with disciplined business systems. Continue learning. If you found this video helpful, continue exploring these related topics. 1. Why AI doesn't replace professional judgment. Learn why business context interpretation and strategic thinking remain essential even as AI automates routine work. 2. Improve the process before you automate. Discover why workflow design should always come before AI implementation and how stronger systems produce more reliable results. 3. Operational visibility, the foundation of better business decisions. Understand how clear workflows, meaningful reporting, and operational visibility help organizations reduce risk, improve decision-making, and build scalable business systems.